gotta sit for that cash. I'll be the rubber band, you'll be the match. I will be a fuse. Boom.
What's up, you guys? Welcome to the vlog. Long time NLC. Just kidding, you guys. I am actually uploading some clips to be edited and for a sit-down video. I did a quick check-in with you guys and also some unboxings for some home decor. That video should be up now, right before this one, so definitely go ahead and check that out. But yeah, welcome to another vlog. For everyone that is new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please make sure you also hit that subscribe button so you can come and hang out with me all the time. And for my A1 day ones, my returning viewers, hey boo, how you doing? Missed you. Mwah. All right, y'all, so I am actually getting ready to head out. My wig looks crazy and it's gonna stay looking crazy too. We are about to go grab some barbecue from Bad Brad's barbecue. So that's what we're about to get ready to go do, y'all, because your girl's hungry. It's Sunday, winding down, y'all. I have been sick all weekend. My birthday was on Thursday. Sick on my birthday, sick on Friday, sick on Saturday, just now starting to feel better today. So gonna get out of the house, get some fresh air, and go get some barbecue. So let's go. All right, and today's look is giving I care about absolutely nothing in life. Y'all, I just moved and I ain't got no iron. Remind me to get an iron and an ironing board, okay? Because yeah, I need one. But anyway, what I got on today is just a Wrinkle Gallery Department t-shirt, some black leggings. I don't know if y'all could see, but I got on some Yeezy slides with socks, and it's 80 degrees on outside. Why? Because you guessed it, she doesn't have her toes done. My little Lululemon pouch, my little phone case, you know, wig lace looking all jacked up on the side. Y'all, it's just giving she cares about nothing in life except for going to feed her face, which is what we're about to do. So let's go ahead and get out of here. I do need to grab my tablet so I can get some editing done while I'm gone. And yeah, camera quality change. We are out the house, y'all. Left the Sony at home and I got my DJI Pocket 2 with me, so the camera quality probably looks a little bit different. But hey, this camera is just a lot more convenient to carry around. Got my boy with me here. You gonna say what's up?
What's up?
He's all into his gadget. But yeah, we're about to go get some barbecue, y'all. I got a taste for some brisket, so we about to go get some barbecue, and I'm definitely gonna be ordering some brisket, and I cannot wait, you guys. I also need to go and get a pedicure, but I'm not gonna do that today, but I really do need to, because y'all, I want to say for the past month, so the day before my birthday, before I got really sick, I did, you know, I threw a wig on, threw some lashes on, threw some press-ons on. Didn't get a chance to go get my toes done like I was planning to do on my birthday because I was just so sick. But it's been like a month where I just been walking around looking like crazy. But yeah, I definitely need to go get my toes done. But yeah, I'll check back in with y'all when we get to the restaurant. I don't know if we're going to do carry out or if we're going to sit down. I really don't even know what they're like, what their setup is like. I've never been here before. My best friend told me about this place, so it's my first time trying it out. So I don't know if we're gonna be sitting down, if we're gonna be doing carry out, but we'll see when we get there. See you in a minute. All right, y'all. Ooh, I sounded really manly right there. All right, y'all. No. All right, you guys. We just pulled up to Bad Brad's. We about to go in and get some food. I'm so excited. If it's one thing you're gonna see in the Shanae Moniz vlog, you're gonna see us eat for sure. Let's go.
they say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you fucking right. Body bling is unpolite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm tryna go up tonight. Hoes and hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. A slave where the love is like. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly.
Very good.
All right, we are back home now, but I just wanted to come back really quick and give you guys the verdict on Bad Brads and the movie. So after we left from eating, we went to go see Saw X. It's the new Saw movie that is out. First, let me just give you my verdict on that, because I really don't have too much to say about it. Like, it was good. It just moved a little slow. That's all I really have to say about it. It was good. It just moved a little slow. Bad Brads. It was okay. When my best friend told me about it, she said it was really like amazing. So I was really excited to try it. So I don't know if I just had it hyped up too much. It was okay. The greens, I did not like the greens. They weren't that good to me. The brisket was okay. The mac and cheese was good. I think the best thing that I had was the jalapeno cornbread. That was slapping. If you go there, definitely get the jalapeno cornbread, but it was okay. I don't know if I'll go back. I don't know if I'll go back. If I do, well, let me just say, I won't say that I wouldn't go back. There we go. But yeah, just wanted to check in with you guys, and just let you guys know what I thought about Bad Brad's barbecue. It was okay. I would say give it a try. If you've never had it before, just, go ahead, give it a try, see what you think about it. And as for the movie, it was good, just moved a little slow. That's all. But yeah, so I'm about to get settled in for the night, and chill out. Tomorrow I have to work. I'll be working from home, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Good morning, happy Monday. We are well into the morning today, you guys. I have already dropped the kid off at school, came back home, logged in for work, got most of my morning duties out of the way for the most part. Already on my second cup of coffee here. Y'all like this? I got this really cute coffee mug from Walmart, y'all. Walmart has been coming through with the home decor, like I told y'all. Check them out. I'm not gonna be doing too much today, so I probably won't be picking up the camera too much. I have to get some laundry done, and I'm making some spaghetti for dinner tonight, so that's pretty much it. And I missed that nail, but I got the pack in the room, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop another one back on. That's the beauty of press-on nails. But anyway, guys, just wanted to come and say hello on this beautiful Monday morning, and I will check back in with you guys a little later. I just finished the move-in checklist for my apartment, and there's a few things that need to be completed. Like some of the closet doors, they did not complete painting. They left it just like the natural wood color. They were supposed to be painted white like the rest of my walls and doors. So they already told me that they had to come back to do that. I kind of wish they had done that before I actually moved into had that finished. If they had to move back my move-in date, I would have been fine with that. And there's a couple other little things that I felt like they kind of rushed to get me in here when they could have just, pushed back that move-in date, and I would have been completely fine. So now I have to work with them for them to come in while I'm here to get things done. And I kind of don't like that, because I really didn't want any painting to be done with my stuff in here. So But whatever, that's that. I've got this done. I'm gonna go ahead and get this over to them today so we can get working on all of that. But yeah, just going over it. I just like I said, I just kind of wish that they, instead of trying to rush to get me in, that they would have just been like, hey, you know, we want to make sure everything is complete and done, so we're gonna push back your date a week or whatever. So yeah, that was bothering me a little bit. It's kind of like, it kind of like peeved me a little bit, so I thought I'd come share that with you all. But yeah, you know, it's cool. It is what it is. If you're moving into an apartment, before you drop off a check, before you anything, just make sure, ask that question, like, is everything done? Is everything completely done and ready for me to move in? It's not, I would just say to tell them to just push your move-in date back. Granted, they might not want to do that because then they got to prorate that check and give you, you know, give you a new lower rate without those extra days. But hey, get my shit together. That's what's important. Just get my shit. Just get the shit right, okay? But back to the job that pays the bills, y'all. As y'all can see, I did not make my bed this morning. I'm literally just in the bed working today. Like, I didn't feel like going over to my desk. I didn't feel like, yeah, I just didn't feel like it. I did not feel like it. And to be quite honest with y'all, I woke up today and I was extremely tired. And I probably need to go take my B12, but I usually take that like around lunchtime when I take the rest of my vitamins. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna try to wait. Let this coffee do what this coffee do. But around lunchtime, baby, I'm going to get them B12, them B12 drops, and taking them bad boys. And I've also been up in my intake of vitamin D because I do have a vitamin D deficiency. So, and I be falling off taking my vitamin D, y'all. And when I do that, I definitely feel it. I feel like absolute and complete shit. So I'm not at that point just yet because it hasn't been too many days that I hadn't taken it, as well as the B12 drops. But I don't want to go too many days without taking it, and then I start feeling like no energy at all. So lunchtime, I'm popping them bad boys because your girl needs them. Am I the only one that keep my vitamins in the refrigerator? I know some vitamins say to keep them in the refrigerator, but I just keep all my vitamins in the refrigerator. I have some that say keep them in the refrigerator. I have some that just say keep in a cool, dry place, which to me is the refrigerator. Let me know if y'all keep y'all vitamins in the refrigerator too. I wanted to show you guys the B12 drops that I take. These work amazing. I will have them linked in the description box for you if you're interested. But these drops work amazing, like amazing. So you're just supposed to take one dropper, squirt it underneath your tongue, hold it underneath your tongue for 10 seconds, and then swallow. So since I've been taking these vitamin B drops, y'all, these vitamin B12, since I've been taking these vitamin B12 drops, like, my energy level has been amazing. Like, literally from the first day that I really started taking them, I felt the difference. So I will forever use these. I can tell a difference when I haven't taken them in a few days. I can tell a difference. I can tell that I don't have as much energy. Like, I struggle with keeping my energy levels up because I have the vitamin D deficiency. So of course I take my D3s too, but along with another multivitamin, y'all. But taking the additional D3 and the vitamin B12 really helps with me having more energy throughout the day. So I'm about to actually make myself something to eat. I'm hungry. I'm about to make myself a jalapeno cheddar smoked sausage. Just gonna eat one. Seal this bad boy back up. That's why I like resealable packages. 'Cause, yeah, we're gonna let that cook. All right, you guys. So, oop, you guys are crooked. All right, y'all. So, went ahead, got me some lunch, made a jalapeno cheddar sausage, some Doritos, got me some juice. So, I'm just about to sit back here and continue working for the day. While I watch a little YouTube. I don't take my lunch until it's time for me to go get Nyland. So, yeah, I eat while I work, and then on lunch I have to run out and go pick up Nyland from school. So this is pretty much what a day for me looks like when I'm working from home. It's pretty chill. Really don't have too much to complain about. My job is a bit tedious, I would say, but being able to do it from the comfort of my home is a plus. Hey guys, all right, it is later in the day, and yes, I do have clothes on. I just have this bandeau top on, but it's later in the day. I'm off of work now. There was a change of plans. I did not make the spaghetti because Nyland's dad picked him up from school and took him back to his house tonight, so I wasn't about to make a big old thing of spaghetti for just me. I'm gonna just save that and do it tomorrow when he's home. So I did just order some DoorDash, and I ordered some starters bar and grill, some catfish bites from Starters Bar and Grill. They forgot my sides, but that's okay. DoorDash is already processing that refund, and I still have some macaroni and cheese left over from yesterday at the barbecue place, so I'm gonna go ahead and warm that up. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog out here, you guys. I'm about to chill out for the rest of the night. Thank you so much for tuning in and rocking out with me. I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button so you can come and hang out with me all the time, y'all, and I will see you in the next video.